Okay folks, you are welcome back to my channel today. Today I'm coming to share with you how to create a professional website using Blogger, and it's going to be free. You are not going to spend any money. You are going to do everything for free and create a professional website, and after that you can monetize it and start making money from it. So without wasting much time, let's get to the process. The first thing that you have to do is to open your browser. For this purpose I'm going to use Google. You can use any other browser, but I suggest you use Google Chrome because Blogger is actually a product of Google. So if you are using their browser, all the services that you will be needing, it is going to make the process very easy for you. So when you come here, you have to choose the email address that you want to use to create the account. So for this purpose I'm coming to use let me choose some email address that I have got blogger yet. Alright, so when you come here, the first thing that you will need to do is to search for blogger.com in your browser. Blogger, you search for it, then you will be taken to the dashboard. Okay, I think I used this email already, but if you have not used the email, they will ask you to sign up using the email, and it is very simple process. So what you will need to do is to click on new. In fact, when you sign in, the first thing that will come is new blog. So when you see the new blog here, they will ask you to write the title of the blog. So basically that's going to be the name of the blog. So what name do you want to give to the blog? So for this particular blog, I'm going to name it Gossip News Portal. Alright, so that is Gossip News Portal for you. After that, they will ask you to enter the address. So this address, you are going to enter it, and you are not going to leave any space between the words. So let's assume I want to use Gossip News Portal. Okay, they said the blog name is not available, meaning someone has used it already. So what I have to do is to add something or remove something. But okay, I add something and it is now available. So the next thing to do is to save it. Now after saving our blog, it is successfully created. Let's visit the website and see how it looks like. So now this is the way it looks like, but we don't want it to be like this, so we have to do some things to make it look more beautiful. So the next thing you will need to do is to look for a professional website, or a professional Blogger theme or template to make the design look very beautiful. I have some Premiere themes that I can use, but for the purpose of this video I'm going to show you how to get some professional themes for free. So you just type Blogger theme for free download. You see a lot of things here, but I like getting theme from Goyabi templates or Sora. So let's choose Goyabi templates, the first one. Now we have a lot of things here that we can actually download for free and use for our websites. Because it is news, I will choose this one. I'll choose the first one, which is iNews Blogger template. You will see buy and download, but we are not using any money to create this particular website. We are doing everything for free. So the next thing that we need to do is to just download it. Alright, so it has been downloaded. So after you are done with downloading the template, open your folder, your download folder, which is here. Then you right click on the file that you have downloaded. You right click, then you click on extract here. Alright, yes. Okay, so it has been extracted. Okay, extract file. So you rather choose extract file. You choose extract file. Now you can see that it has been extracted. Now you will come back to your Blogger dashboard. When you come here, you will have to click on theme. After clicking on theme, then you click on customize. Let's go back. You click on the arrow beside customize, then you click on restore, and you upload. I'm going fast because I don't want the video to be long. So after you are done with that, you just have to come and click here. Click on the folder. Click on the folder here. Then you click on iNewsFree version. This particular file, you click on it. Then you wait for some few seconds for it to be restored. Alright, the theme has been restored. So now let's refresh our dashboard. Okay, you can see that a lot of things has happened. The dashboard is looking somehow beautiful. So we need to do some things to make the dashboard look, in fact we have to make it more professional. So let's go to Blogger, go to layout. So this is layout. You have the chance to remove what you don't want to be on the website for you, and you add the ones that you want to add. So for this purpose, you have to do what you want to do. It's very simple. If you want to remove, you remove. If you want to add, you add. Some of them you can just turn it off. So that is it. Now let's go to main menu. This is the header menu. You can see you have to add your categories here. If you want to do news, sports, tech, and the rest, this is where you delete all these ones and add them. So after adding them, it will be redirecting people to your categories. Now this is the pages. You add your details, contact me, and you create a link and add the link here. So if you want to create the link, you will come here, then you create the page. You create a page and copy the link and use there. So now the next thing that I would like us to talk about is how to make a post. In fact, you can see new post, new post, compose. I don't advise people to be copying news from other portals, but for the purpose of this particular video, I'm going to do that just to show you something. If I want to type, the video will be very long, and I don't want that. Alright, so let me copy some news from citynews.com. Alright, so I'll copy the headline. Please don't copy news from other people's website. I'm doing this for only educational purpose, for you to know how to make a post on your website. Then I'll save the image, because if you want to copy from other people's website, you have to rewrite to avoid plagiarism. Alright, so I'll paste it here. You see, delete this. In fact, so after that, if you want to do anything, it is going to be about adding picture. So you click on the image or insert image, then you browse, you select the picture that you have downloaded. This is the picture. Alright, so this is news. Then you write news here so that it will be categorized under news. That is it. So you publish. That is it. When it comes to the website, this is the post that I just created. So this is it. I don't want the video to be too long, so I'm going to do part 2 of the video and show you how to edit the layout one by one to make all this place look very beautiful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment. Your suggestions and everything are welcome, so that in my next video I'll do adjustments to those things to make it very easy for all of us to enjoy this channel. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe.